Hello ladies and gentlemen, you join me today on a very hot day here at Z Vic Corner in Lower Hutt, where we're going to be trying out the brand new Istobal MNEX 32. It's only been here a couple of weeks and I've finally got myself down here to try it out. This is one of two MNEX 32s that Z have installed, the other one being at Palm Beach and Tauranga. They've also got another 6 that will be installed over the early part of 2022. It's part of a new deal that Z are doing with Istobal now. They were with WashTec for a long time. Their predecessor Shell had been using WashTec since the mid-2000s. Now Z are going with Istobal, and we're going to head over there and we're going to try it out. Now, there is going to have to be one little disclaimer. It's a very hot day because although it is December, I live in New Zealand, so it's our summertime. It is very hot today, so I am going to have to do this with the air conditioning on, just because of how excruciatingly warm it is. I'm just checking there's another car in there at the moment. So we will head over there and do that in a minute. We'll have to do this a bit differently because it's so hot. I'm not going to be able to put my camera on the dashboard, so we will just we'll mosey on over there and we'll try it out. Okay, here we go, the MNEX 32. Oh, I've still got the handbrake on. So there's no signage on there at the moment because it kind of goes into sleep mode when no one's using the machine. They're still using the old PSD Codex box from the WashTec rather than a new code box. 553901. Oh shit, that's the wrong button. Hold on. Got confused there between 1 and 7. Here we go. Window up. In we go. Sure. Lovely big LED signs here you get on the MNEX 32. Oh, stop. Okay. Here we go. Let's put her in park. Turn the engine off, but we'll leave the fan going. Excellent. So we start off here with a nice foam up. So this petrol station was actually one of the only original Shell stations that didn't get its original 1990s wash replaced with a WashTec as part of Shell's early 2000s purge. It actually kept its original machine, which was a touchless Ryco Monarch 2. But then when Shell petrol stations became Z petrol stations in around 2011, 2012, they replaced that with a WashTec Softcare Pro. And then in 2021, December 2021, they replaced that with the MNEX 32. You know what, I might as well just turn this off, it's not making a difference. It's just hot. Okay, so the brushes are now on. Now, I have got the top quality wash program, which normally retails at $23. However, they're doing a bit of a special at the moment because this is a new car wash. Well, you can see the pictures on the LED signs there. Because this is a new car wash, they're doing a brief special at the moment. All car washes $15. So they're selling all of their washes at the cheaper price, no matter which wash you buy at the moment. Now, one thing that you will have noticed that is different about this car wash compared to Z's WashTecs is the brush colour. Most Zs normally have orange and blue brushes. In fact, they used to be plain orange Z car wash brushes, and then it was only in 2018 that they changed them to the orange and dark blue. However, with the new Istobals, Z has opted to go for a full dark blue colour scheme. Now, there is a reason for that. It's the same reason why Mobil and MPD use these brush colours on their Istobals, and why a lot of private car washes nowadays use dark blue or black brushes. And it's simply because darker coloured brushes do a better job of hiding any dirt or grime that builds up on the brushes. It's less visible on a darker colour, so they can get away with replacing the brushes less often. Because these car wash brushes are actually really expensive. I'm going to try putting the S back on for a minute. Oh, that's better. Jeez, it's hot today. It's really, really hot today. It is summertime. So if you're unfamiliar with the MNEX 32, it's very similar to the MNEX 22. So the original MNEX series was launched in 2010 to replace sort of like the M12 series. And then in 2017 they launched the MNEX 32. Basically what they did is they took an MNEX 22, put some nicer lights on the back, made infinite mousse a standard feature, and basically just put a few other high specification features on it. So it is based on the MNEX 22, but it's got the just a slightly nicer machine. You've got a bit of water spray as well, which is good. Now, Zed's machine is only configured as a soft wash. You can get, just like with the 22, you can get this machine as a combination wash. However, Zed have not opted for that. Now, we should be getting the infinite mousse now. Here we go. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Oh, that is nice. Look at it go. This is my second infinite mousse experience. I got it on the Tracer, obviously, at Zed Rimutaka, and now I've got it on the MNEX 32. You can get infinite mousse on an MNEX 22, but only as an optional extra, whereas on the MNEX 32 it comes as standard. Look at that. That is just completely covered. That is good infinite mousse there. We'll get another pass on the brushes. I have to admit, this car does shake around quite a bit when it's washing the back end. It is quite light in this wash bay. Normally with these Z stations the windows are covered up, but there is also a window on this side which is not covered. So this is somewhat unusual for a Z to have an uncovered window. And also, of course, this wash bay does not have any doors, because it's just a brush wash, so it generally doesn't need it. And we get a bit of a rinse here as it comes along. Just washing off the last of that infinite mousse, hopefully. Still a bit of it on the right hand side, but hopefully that will come off with the dry. There we go, brush is retracting now. Nice little sparkles there on the animation. Oh yeah, oh no, of course we get a little rinse pass first, don't we? Oh, that's good. We're getting a good rinse. It's nice. I thought we were going to go straight to dry, but no, we got a lovely rinse. This is fantastic. I mean, people who follow my car wash videos will know I am quite a big Istobal fan. I do really like the full MNEX series of washes from Istobal. Is a really good series of wash, so I'm quite pleased with it. If I just turn the aircon off a minute and you can hear the drying. Not that there's really much to it, because it's pretty much exactly the same as the MNEX 22's dryer. And it's quite quiet. But very effective. The drying on these is brilliant. I mean, obviously there's more drying there coming through these slots on the sides. Okay, I'm going to put that back on now, just to keep me cool, because it is just so hot today. Have some more of my drink. Oh. Now, much like the WashTech machine at Johnsonville, this will do a bit of a double purpose. Now, this is the only thing I will say though about a comparison, because obviously we've got, this is the high spec Istobal MNEX 32, and a lot of people will be asking how it compares to the high spec WashTech that they've got at Z Johnsonville. Now, the only thing I will say, because this machine has exactly the same prices as Z Johnsonville. However, the Z Johnsonville machine is a combi wash, and you get a high pressure wash before the brushes come on. You don't get that with this. They could have done that if Z had wanted to put a combi wash in here. They could have done, but they elected to go for soft wash only. But even as just a soft wash, it's still really good. And to be fair, I mean, just around the corner from here, around the roundabout, is a BP that's got a 2015 WashTech that they've put BP's, you know, bespoke ultra clean upgrade on, and they're charging $25 for the top wash on that, and it's really not that much different to what they're offering here at Z now that they've got this, and this is $2 cheaper. So I would say, as far as comparisons go, this is very, very similar to the Ultra Wash at Z. Right, I think we're at the end. Yes, we are. And the lights go out immediately. Right, put the engine on. I haven't put my seatbelt on yet. I think there's someone else coming for a wash. But I'll just go around the corner and we'll just park up, and then I can sort myself out, seatbelt on and all that. But there we go. That was really good fun. Really enjoyed that. I always enjoy an Istobal. I love Istobal car washes. They're fantastic machines, and I thoroughly enjoyed that. So thank you everybody for tuning in, and I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I hope it came out all right with the sound of the air conditioning going here, but like I said, it's just so hot today. But anyways, that was my first MNEX 32 experience. Really enjoyed it, really good fun. And that's it for this video, guys, and I will see you next time.